Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel, exploring stylish sofa designs and the latest trends in home decor. Offers a wealth of inspiration for transforming your living spaces into comfortable and chic havens. Sofas are the central to ambience of any room, and contemporary designs bring the fusion of aesthetics and functionality. One prominent trend is the shift towards multifunctional sofas. These innovative designs often incorporate hidden storage, pull-out beds, or even adjustable sitting arrangements, making them perfect for smaller living spaces. Materials used in sofa designs span from luxurious leather and polished velvet to eco-friendly and sustainable options like bamboo and recycled materials. This diversity allows homeowners to choose materials that resonate with their potential style and values. Shiltons are evolving as well, with a mix of clean lines and curvaceous shapes gaining favor. Mid-century modern and minimalistic styles continue to be on trend, offering a timeless appeal. Bold and rich color choices are making a statement in the world of sofas, with deep blues, forest greens, and various shades of grey and terracotta adding character to living spaces. A customization option for sofa designs are expanding, enabling you to select everything from the fabric to the leg style, creating a piece that perfectly aligns with your home decor. In conclusion, so stylish sofa design and the latest trends in home decor go beyond mere sitting. They are instrumental in defining the personality of your living spaces. By embracing these designs, you can create cohesive and inviting atmosphere in your home. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.